To share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is called Letters to Rose, because I've used a digital kit from Nectars Creations and that was the name of it, Letters to Rose. There is also some other ephemera in there from Tsunami Rose as well. The cover is a wallpaper cover, which is really pretty. I'll show you the back there. It's got a nice kind of glittery shine to it, and the wallpaper has been sewn onto cardstock, so it's obviously a little bit thicker than what it would be if it was on its own. We've got this lovely lace trim here and some lace trim there. There is a metal book plate and it says Timeless Treasures, and that's been popped onto some fabric. There is eyelet and organza ribbon as a closure. It measures 7 3/4 by 5 1/4, has one signature, and there are 80 pages front and back. This will be listed in my shop and that link will be below. I will also put a link to Nectars Creations if you want to go over and take a peek. So let's go inside. I've left the inside cover plain, and this is some of the digital paper. So I've made a pocket here using some of the pages from the kit, and we have a tag. We have some ephemera. There is a tag from the kit, and this is a little journaling card, and it's from Nectars Creations, but it's the Cottage Lane. I can't remember if it was 1 or 2. And then, oh, this is from Dreams Etc. I'll pop that in there. The pocket is actually, this belly band is open, so you can actually tuck things inside there as well. And we've got the word on there, it says Imagine. We have a doily and some edge punching here, some digital music paper, journaling cards just paper clipped on there. This is from Tsunami Rose, and the little bird down here is from the Letters to Rose kit, and I just fussy cut that out and glued it on there. We have some squared paper, and I just made this little fabric snippet up. It's got a few layers of fabric here and some cheesecloth and a button. Some crocheted trim, some more pages from the kit. Got a pocket here that I've made from one of the pages from the kit. Some stamping. The coffee water that I used has got some micro powders in it, so there's a nice shimmer to that. We have a tag here, and this is just a little pocket from the kit, and that is the back, and that pops in there. And then I've just put the word hope here. Doily, edge punching, some more digital paper. We've got it's a coffee dyed tag, and this is from Dreams Etc. Here I've got 2 books inside this, and you can see I don't know if you can see the shimmer on that, but it's really pretty. Just obviously made some booklets there with some really heavy stained tea and coffee dyed paper. There's a pocket in the back, and there's a double journaling card inside there, so you can tuck more things in there. So that goes on there. We have another little fabric snippet and a button. Another pocket here, this one says Remember. A piece of ephemera here. A tag, little postcard, and this envelope has a double journaling card. That all just pops in there. Doily, some edge punching, some more crocheted trim. We have a side tuck here with a flip out there. Some ephemera, and this is, now I can't remember if that is from Letters to Rose or one of the Country Lane kits, but it is from Nectars Creations. Centre of signature. We have another tuck here. This was just some scrap, and I just made it into like a full envelope, so you could do journaling on that. You could actually sew that together if you wished and made it into an actual envelope. Some ephemera and another little journaling card there. So there's lots of places to journal, and there's lots of like, interactive things to write on, to add photos to. Tag, little postcard. I can't remember where they're from. Might be like Christie Art Designs or something like that. To-do lists. There's another to-do list book here. This one, the pocket is on the inside, and we have that journaling card. And there is just different sized bits of paper, and that flips out. So that's that one. These have been put onto some fabric as well. The other one has got fabric on it too. Forgot to mention that. And that's just paper clipped on. Another little fabric snippet with a button. Here we just have a pocket there, journaling card, and another journaling card. Another pocket here, and this is open again, so you can tuck things inside there. We've got a tag from the kit and a journal card from, I don't know if it's from the kit or it's from the Cottage Lane, can't remember. Another fabric snippet here with a large button and another birdie. Here we have another pocket with another flip out journaling space and some ephemera and a mason jar, and I'm just going to put a paper clip on that just to hold it in. Here we have another pocket. Again, this is opened at the bottom, so you can actually tuck things inside there. This is from Dreams Etc. This is from Nectars Creations, a tag from the kit. Another envelope here with the double journaling card inside there. And that pops in there, and then, oops, another tag. So that is the journal. As you can see, it's quite chunky, but you can take all the tags out and things and it's not as chunky. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop and all the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.